Ryder, the sonar screen is showing something spinning.
We'd better check it out.
Wow, you can really steer the sub. You must have perfect aim.
Wow! That's Sid!
His rudder looks bent.
Sid, Ryder here. Your rudder is damaged and you're out of control. You have to turn off your engines.
Maybe Ryder's right, Captain Boss, Mr. Sid, sir. All the spinning is giving me a mixed-up tummy.
Oh, yeah, me too. Okay, I'll turn off the engines then.
Whoa!
Why won't he stop? He almost hit those fish.
The controls must be broken, so it just keeps spinning. Marshall, I need you to launch the grabber onto Sid's sub. Fast.
Me? But my aim's not very good.
I have to drive. I can't shoot too. Just keep your eye on the ball, sub, and concentrate.
Okay. Keep your eye on the sub. Stay calm. And now! I knew I was no good at this.
You can do this, Marshall!
Eye on the ball. Concentrate.
Phew!
I can't believe I did it.
Yes! I knew you could do it. You're such a good pup.
This place is so fun to scuba in.
Ryder, thank you again for saving the dive spot and Sluggy's home.
You're welcome, Sluggy. Hey!